What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, aka Fresh Sense, coming at you again. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, aka Fresh Sense, coming at you again with another unboxing. I have this box here from, I guess you probably can't see it from the outside packaging, but let's open it up and find out. Okay, so here we go. So I got this box today after, I want to say, maybe 5 days of waiting, using my handy dandy X-Acto knife. I want to get this all on camera. Side. Actually, I don't think I need to cut here, but I'm actually going to put this down a little bit more so I don't have to do such an unnatural angle. Down there. Here, I'm very excited about this one. Now, I'm not the first person to show this particular package being opened. I'm going to try to open it without showing my address. Wow. And I just showed it. All right, I think I'm good here. There we go. Okay, I see it. Box opening. There we go. Here we go. Oh, can you see it? Can you see the wonderful striping? I'm gonna just actually I'll get the other side open too. We'll just push it out. Oh. Okay, so a beautiful card from Dior and beautiful gift box from Dior. Now, I'm actually gonna just keep this in my hand. If this is anything like Chanel, ordering from Chanel, this is probably my return information. Okay. Oh, it's actually a little thank you card. It says, I'm gonna confuse that. Thank you for your recent purchase. We are glad to count you among our clients and would like to show you our appreciation with a special gift. Explore the world of Dior fragrance, makeup, and skincare collections at Dior.com and receive a Rouge Dior 100 matte miniature with your next purchase using the code VELVET21 at checkout. So I guess you have until October 15th to do that. So again, VELVET21 before October 15th. Don't know if it's going to happen. I got a returns policy here. I have 30 days and have my receipt. So anyone looking to buy some Dior stuff, Velvet21. Anyways, let's open up the box. I don't even want to untie it, but I think I will. Here we go. Yeah, okay, so I know how to tie this tie, so if I want to do it again. Beautiful box. And here we go. I gotta say, I've never gotten the chance to buy high fashion items before buying a Chanel item straight from Chanel, and this is a beautiful experience. There definitely is like a level of like giddiness you feeling. Oh Jesus, I didn't want to. All right, opening this stuff. Okay, so I can already see one thing that's on top, and we have our complimentary Miss Dior bag, which is not. I'm actually going to gift this to my sister, I believe. It's empty. Oh, no, there's silica beads in it I can feel. We have our complimentary Miss Dior miniature. Let's see if I can open that with one hand. I'll do some B-roll of that, I think. Oh. Okay. So we have this. It smells pretty. It smells really soft. And then we have, I think this is a parfum. Yes, this is Dior Sauvauge parfum. Complimentary. But as you guys probably would have guessed, the coup d'etat of the entire unboxing is this right here. Dior Sauvauge Elixir. Let me get another shot of that. I don't know how good it actually showed up on camera. And then you can see it says Elixir. We're gonna open this up right now. I've been waiting all day to get home to actually unbox this. I'll be careful about this sticker. I can actually probably save the sticker and stick it on my sticker wall. Let's see, can I do it from the bottom? Yeah, I'll do it from the bottom instead. I'll work with the sticker later when I'm not actually recording. For you ASMR folks. And then immediately my dog runs over as if I have a snack for her. How cute. Here we are. Dior Sauvauge Elixir. Now, I actually have never smelled Dior Sauvauge. I have a clone in Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. Ooh. Here it is. My first actual smell of Dior Sauvage. And I got the Elixir version, which is not... I don't know why I smelled that. That's not necessarily the most... the best way to smell Sauvage, but we'll see. Let's see if I can smell without spraying it. Oh my, okay. Okay, so I'm immediately hit with that muskiness. It's a bit of sweet too. Okay. I didn't even spray it. Smell it. Alright, so I saw a review of this recently from Curly Scents, and this ended up being the favorite, which actually convinced me to pull the trigger on it. But then also I saw another person, Mr. Kevin Samuels, recommend this. And he's been doing perfume reviews for quite some time. Perfume and cologne reviews to recommend to men. So I'm just gonna give it a spritz. My favorite new spritz location is in the back of my neck, because it just doesn't get as much of a. So I've learned, or I've heard, that when you spray perfumes or colognes, you don't want to rub your wrists because it actually crushes and changes the chemistry of the smell. You want to just spray it and spray on the other wrist if you want to have it on both wrists. But I like the back of the neck because there's not much, like I don't do that. I don't bend my neck back a lot, so I don't feel like I crush and change the smell. Anyways, let's see. Can I prime it? Oh no, I didn't. To my wrist. That little spray. Oh man, I think it's the lavender I smell. It's really, really strong. Oh man. Okay. Right off the bat, I can tell you straight up, as someone who's never smelled Sauvage, it doesn't smell. Oh, it's magnetic top. I like it. It doesn't smell like Prada Luna Rosa Carbon, or maybe it actually does smell a little bit like Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. But there's, the silliness of this is great. It smells a lot fresher, and I do smell citrus too. At this point in time, I smell like a really nice citrus, and it blends really well with what I think is lavender. Not so much woods yet, but this definitely does not smell like Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. Definitely does not. Although that said, I can see why it's cloned so much. I think there's a grapefruit top note in this that I read online. But it smells really quite good. Definitely not feminine. It also it is so closely. It makes me think of incense, but I know for sure I'm not smelling incense. Yeah, I can see why this is cloned so much. I like it. Is it worth the price I paid for it? Which was about. Actually, I paid full retail price for this because I couldn't find this at a retailer. Although now, I actually checked out Macy's, which has this on sale for, I believe, $133 with their code until October 4th. You also get a good amount of goodies. I think 4 different goodies. Smells really good. I gotta say that. My plan for Miss Dior, I might give it a quick spritz and smell. Maybe do a review. Maybe not. But my plan for this is to give it to my sister. I already let her know. Thought it would be a little bigger. Oh my god, my dog is really trying to get into the review. Hey, what's up? I'll give this to my sister for sure. See what she thinks about it, and then might buy her a bottle for Christmas. We'll see what happens. I'll give her the bag too because I'll not use this bag. I'm not even sure what she would use this bag for. But anyways, yeah, Dior Elixir, very fresh, very clean. If you never brought it, I would say buy it. It's definitely one of the cheaper colognes in my collection for sure. Not the most cheap. Half the price was Bond Number 9 cologne that I brought recently that I'm still paying off. Yeah, it's a good smell. Good buy. Definitely will be wearing this again. Yeah, this is my blind buy / quick little unboxing of Dior Sauvauge Elixir. Go get the stuff. It smells really good. Until next time, stay fresh, people. Thank you. Just to show a little bit about the complimentary sizings that you get when you buy them. This is 0.37 milliliters for the Parfum, and this is 60 milliliters for the Elixir, which will last quite a bit longer. Get that label in there. And then also here is the Miss Dior, as you get, which I want to say it's 0.17 milliliters, but I can't be sure. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger. I was planning on gifting this to my sister, but it's way too small for it to be like an actual amazing gift. Luckily, I have an idea to send her something else, but again, I'll do it a little bit more grandiose. I can't just send her this in a little bag, so we'll figure it all out. Anyways, here's a cool little thing I noticed. The inside of the bottle. Well.